on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's the 28th of July. We're going to take a look here quickly at Aerodrome Finance, and we'll drop into XRP. We'll look at Bitcoin. We'll check the dominance over on CoinMarketCap. So another quiet day here for Aerodrome Finance. We're fading. All the markets are fading overnight. Started off pretty good on Sunday and kind of faded overnight. Getting a reversal. Still have resistance at 90.901 is the level. Yellow line here for Aerodrome is our resistance. So we'll see in the XRP chart, we're kind of wedging up here in a lot of the markets. Definitely XRP, slightly on Aerodrome. So usually when you wedge up like that, you get a pattern like this, it usually plays out to some style, some form like this to the downside. We don't always make a new lower low, which would mean we don't always take out the low here at 84, but we could. So maybe we see something like that play out here, move lower. Again, whether it's a lower low or not, we'll see before we get that next up move. So that's just something to keep in mind, some speculation there. Markets are struggling here a little bit. Again, we'll see, but that's the way it's looking. Everybody's looking for a higher move, and so far it's not happening. I think at some point it will, but we might see something lower first before a higher move. We got the 50-day catching up here, 200-day starting to bottom out here for Aerodrome. Again, we got to get above our highs here at 101, over on the 22nd of July, but so far, very, very quiet markets here. That's pretty much all I got for Aerodrome. Just a quick update here. Again, so this is pretty obvious, more obvious, I should say, for the XRP chart. Again, guys, usually when you get a wedging up like this, it usually wants to play out to the downside first. Again, whether we take out the lows here from the 24th or print a higher low, time will tell. We do have support down there at 292.30, so we could see something like that. Now, it doesn't always play out like this because we started to have a little bit of a wedge up here, and then it just went parabolic. So, hey, everybody's calling for a parabolic move. Maybe that does play out. Keep in mind, though, when you get a wedging up like this, be careful. It can play to the downside. Here is the opposite. Here is a wedge down. I call it a wedge. I don't know if that's the proper terminology. Here is a wedge down, and a wedge down usually would play out to the upside and vice versa. So if we get a move down, watch the lows there on the 24th for XRP, 295, 290, 292.3 support for XRP. Bitcoin dominance very close to putting in another lower low. We've seen both sides play out. If we don't take out the lows here and we print a higher low, this thing could get ready to rally again, taking Bitcoin up into new all-time highs. If it breaks the low over here from the 21st, we could see Bitcoin really get hit hard. And, you know, I'm sure the whole market will get hit pretty hard if that takes place. Head over here to CoinMarketCap. Check out the CMC Altcoin Season Index. We're at a 42, so hanging out there, very far from alt season. Guys, all links down below. Of course, not financial advice. Let me know your thoughts. Aerodrome Finance, XRP, altcoin season. We're going to get a move lower before higher, and that's what it's looking like. All right, guys, take care.